Happy birthday to you.
I have not been to a punk rock concert recently.
She knows a punk rocker. She knows. Painting day. Woo!
I'm over it.
Oh, I got a moustache. This antifoul is doing wonders to my looks, I think.
Looking like a streamlined butterfly, baby. You guys have the record. Out and back in 5 days. Never seen it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karen. Happy birthday to you.
This is awesome.
Happy birthday, baby.
Can I blow them out?
Yes.
Am I turning 3? Oh, awesome. Yes.
Hey.
Birthday pancakes. The best. Thank you, babe. Good morning. Good morning. Jesus, it's bright out here. Let's find some shade. Good morning, guys. We are at day 3 today. We have done 2 full days of sanding. I've taken apart the bow thruster prop and the main shaft prop. So today we are going to start priming. Putting the primer on will ensure that the new anti-foul will stick and it doesn't react with the old primer. You can see here Isabel's just washing up from breakfast. So yeah, we're going to get priming and hopefully maybe by tomorrow morning we can start anti-fouling and getting that job done. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow I would like to anti-foul the first coat and then maybe even do 2 coats tomorrow. I have to research how long they need to dry and maybe a 3rd round the waterline coat on Friday before we launch. So that's kind of the schedule we've got, but there's also other few things that have to fall into place. I need to change a few stopcocks. Got to get this stuff done while we're on the hard because you don't want to get back in the water and realize you forgot something. So fun days, happy days. Happy birthday to me. Show me your mouth. You've been eating blueberries there.
Have I?
So tell me what you're doing right now.
Oh, I am taping the waterline so we don't accidentally paint on something we shouldn't. And we're waiting for the boat to dry because we just splashed some water on it. And then we're gonna start priming, start painting. Oh, it's Karen's birthday. Birthday boy!
Birthday boy! So some of you might notice my blue eyes or black eyes. I have not been to a punk rock concert recently. This is just how you look when you've been standing for 2 days straight. So I'm looking forward to getting back in the water and washing all this. Not that I don't like punk rock, I mean, give me Green Day any day of the week, but
I got that song in my head.
what song?
She knows a punk rocker, she knows.
Who's a punk rocker? I don't know that song. Just sing it a bit louder for me.
Go away! Removed. Look it up.
They look amazing. Okay, so today we have primed. My birthday, we have spent priming for the last 2-3 hours. I had a shower and now I'm feeling fresh. But before, we were sweating it out getting this primer on. So this primer is going to seal the old coats. It's going to be a brilliant abrasive surface for the new anti-foul to just stick on there and stay stuck on.
Sell it, baby.
I could work for one of these companies, you know. Seahawk, come talk to me. Seajet, you know, international. I'll hook you up. So yeah, we've done the keel, we've done the rudder, we've done the whole bottom, and we've also done inside the bow thruster as well. So it's going to look so good once it's finished. Very much looking forward to it all. Okay, so one of the most important jobs when pulling a sailboat out of the water is replacing the stopcocks if they need replacing. You have a look at them. If they look bad, if they look rusty at all, if they look like they're going to give way, then it's always best to replace them. A stopcock is basically a valve which holds the water out of the boat. The boat has many through holes around the boat for different reasons. This one here is for the engine. It sucks salt water up, goes through the engine to cool the engine, and then spits it back out. So this stopcock is most likely going to be the one that is the most worn because it is exposed to the salt water the most. So I've got the stopcock off here. This is the valve. It's still working 100%. I've kind of scratched off what was there. It was like a bit of rust slash just built up crap over time. But it's actually looking quite good. I'm going to elect to just put this back. I've inspected it and I've kind of okayed it, and I've said this is going to last. So I do believe we'll be fine here.
Nice. Painting day! Woo! No?
Yeah.
You're so enthusiastic about life.
What day is this? It's number 3 on the hunt or 4?
Number 3.
It's kind of, I'm over it.
Yeah?
Yeah, just like being on the hard just really wears on me.
Yeah.
I want to get back in the water.
We're gonna do the anti-foul paint today. I'm very excited about that, and you're a bit over it.
I want to get back in the water.
Yeah, me too. I do like to paint, and I don't know, it's something satisfying with it.
Being on the hard, it's quite difficult because we're suffering from a lot of mosquitos and the boat's not rocking and there's dirt everywhere, so it kind of wears on us. I don't know how people can actually spend months in boatyards and like live on their boat and do up their boat. I have a newfound of respect for all these yachties who spend months on the hard.
Yeah.
That is not a good time.
No, we just want to get to the water. So
Alright.
we can smash this and use the boat hook for some reason.
Hook you, baby.
Okay. Bye. Stick.
Yeah, peace. Oh yes.
Dream up a world of pirates. Climb the highest tree. Fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out to sea. Sail home, sweet home.
Oh, the joy!
We are about 2/3 of the way through. No. Yeah, 2/3. Isabel is absolutely killing it.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah?
I really love it. I like the paint. And you see the result. It's just so beautiful. She's gonna look so good.
Your grandfather was a painter, yeah?
Yeah, my grandfather. So yeah, I guess I have it in my blood.
Thousand monsters hiding in the sands on Mars. Hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand. Fly home, sweet home, where the saucers go to get all cleaned up.
Oh, I got a moustache. This antifoul is doing wonders to my looks, I think.
We'll call you the goddess of anti-foul.
Okay. This word's not mine. Oh, we're doing beautifully! Look at her! Hey!
Hey there!
Oof. Am I going there, painter?
Painting is going to be one of my least favourite things to do in the world.
Really?
Yeah, I hate it. It's mind-numbing stuff. But it's going to make us go really quick.
Oof. Hi!
Hey,
How you going?
amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, so happy we're done.
Yeah?
Well, mostly done. We get the guys to move these tomorrow because we're not allowed to touch them.
Yeah. Oh, she's looking beautiful.
Sand, prime, one coat, maybe two. But as long as you get that prime and one coat on, I'm happy.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm very happy with how she's looking. The black looks immaculate. I'm way more happy than I thought I would be with it. And yeah, last time I did it, it was like a light blue and it just didn't suit it. But this is looking like a streamlined butterfly, baby.
Streamlined butterfly, eh?
Streamlined butterfly.
Should we just rename the boat?
Nay.
You
Show
did
time.
great today. Dinner, relaxing, and just chilling the couch, yeah?
Sounds good to me.
And hopefully not too many mosquitoes. Good morning. So today is the last day on the hard. Hopefully. We still don't know if we got a spot this afternoon, but I think they're gonna try to fit us in. Right now we're just moving the stays so we can sandpaper the last bits and also get the primer and the antifoul on those spots. We did the 2 coats yesterday and we are almost out of paint. It covered it pretty well, so I don't think we need to go on a 3rd coat. So yeah, we're just doing the last bits now and hopefully getting in water this afternoon. I need to put sandpaper on this, need to sand it off, and primer and 2 coats of antifoul. Hopefully we'll get it done. Okay, now I've done the primer on the spots and now I want to take the tape away so we can see the waterline. Oh, look at that! Give us an update. Tell us what's happening.
We are ready to go, 100%. The stopcocks are all good. The bow thruster blades are in. The prop is on and looking smick, and all the paint is done. So we're just waiting on the crane to come now. There's a big squall that's coming through at the moment. So I think after the crane comes, we might have a little bit of a rocky ride going in, but looking forward to it. The one guy that just walked past, he said, "You guys have the record. Out and back in 5 days. I've never seen it." While staying in the yard, we had made good friends with 2 very friendly local dogs. Unfortunately, upon getting launched back into the water, the dogs thought they might come for a ride. Instructing the crane driver to reverse, we had to forcibly send them back to their owner. After 5 days in the shipyard, we were happy to be back in the water. We want to thank Merewether Marine for performing without fault. We can't recommend you guys enough. Thanks heaps.